Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to install and set up application for your earbuds Sony. You have to start by open Play Store and now go to search. Click at the search line or click at the search here and write Sony. Now search. Okay, I made a mistake, but right here you should install this application. Now open it, select your region and then click the check, start. Agree, agree. OK. Hello. Next. And we did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!